Welcome to this program on mystery braid projects. These are great for belts, dog collars, wristbands, and many other kinds of strap goods. What do we mean by mystery braid? Well, here's an example. We have both ends are closed, but yet we have a 3-strand braid in the middle, making this impossible. Well, let's take a moment to show you how to do this. In this program, we're going to do a dog collar, and whether it be a dog collar, a wristband, or a belt, what you need to do is add to take up the shrinkage that's going to occur because of the braid. That will amount to about 10% of the overall length. Now, this dog collar is about 15 inches in collar size, so we'll need to add about another 1.5 inches to make up for the loss we'll have with the braid. First thing I'll do is take my sponge and just do a very light bit of moisture on here. And now we'll use a wing divider, and if you have a piece of scrap leather, it's a good idea to use it. We're going to split this into 3 pieces. You can use a ruler and divide it up. However, I like to just take my wing divider and practice with it a little bit. And now I will use my wing divider and put the 2 marks on the strap of leather. Now we have divided it up into 3 strings. I'm using a piece of 6 to 7 ounce leather, and now I will very carefully cut the line that I scribed on there with the wing divider. It's best, if you can, to have a nice sharp knife and go all the way through the leather with one pass. And now we're ready to start our braiding. Sometimes this is called the secret braid. Well, here's the secret. First thing I'm going to do is tell you that I'm going to do from left to right. I'll call this number 1, number 2, and number 3 strands. So here's the secret. I'm going to take the other end. I'm going to pass it between strands 2 and 3. Now I will braid 1 over 2 and 3 over 1. Then I'll go back and do 2 over 3. Now I will take the other end and go through between 2 and 3. And you'll notice now it comes out flat again. So now I'll braid 1, 2, 3. And now we're nice and flat down here, and we'll start another sequence. The next sequence starts the same way. It goes through as you see here. Then we braid 1, 2, 3. Then we'll take this and go through on the left side. As you can see, we're now straightened out. Now, at this point, we can take these strands, loosen them up all the way down, or we can do one more sequence. And here's our dog collar, all ready to attach our hardware. Well, that's all there is to it. With a little bit of leather and some ideas, you can make an endless variety of strap goods with the 3-strand mystery braid.